लिए वो हम भूल गए हैं, वो हम चला दिया हमने। हम जब चाइनीज़ मेडिसिन पंखा नहीं चलेगा, ये जब हम हटा देंगे ना तो हम चला देंगे, नीडल पसंद नहीं पड़ता, ये गिर जाएगी। ऐश है ना इसकी, ऐश इस पर गिरेगी स्किन पे। और बिना पंखे के है ना कि ऐश गिरती नहीं है, ये यहाँ तक आ जाती है कि गिरती नहीं है ऐश। ये है इसकी क्वालिटी। दिस इज चाइनीज एक्यूपंक्चर एंड moxibustion therapy. It is a very ancient therapy. This is a very traditional, and the Beijing Acupuncture Academy in Beijing, China, which was started in 5,000 years back. So, in the ancient China, the all treatment was conducted by acupuncture therapy. Then the development of allopathic medicine and other system was not there. So this was the only system in Chinese medicine. So this is very effective for the management of neuropathy pain, for the management of muscular pain, for the skeletal pain, for the neuropathy, and for all cases of pain and disorders. So when we are injecting the needles of acupuncture, the blood flow of the body increase, and moreover it secreted enzyme, that is endorphin enzyme. This endorphin enzyme is secreted when we inject the needle in the body. And in the Indian old concept, in the 4 Vedas, Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, and in all 4 Vedas, the explanation of this pathy is there, that is called Suchi Vidya. It is called Suchi Vidya. Suchi Vidya means Suchi is a needle and Vidya is a Vidhi. Needle के द्वारा इलाज करना. It is also found in the Indian old literature and Shastras. So this is very documented therapy, which having the word over trusted. And in America, it is a number 1 therapy, having 113 references and government approval in America in favor of acupuncture, while other therapy having a less approval and recognition from the government of America. And moreover, this therapy is used worldwide, like Britain, like Canada, like in Britain, in the other country too, like Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, in all the Western countries, more developed. But in India, this the development is very less, because in our country this science is not going to be developed, because more licensed acupuncture is not available, more licensed doctor is not available. So this is the problem with India, the lacking of Indian license, government license. They are not taking the medical education in a medical school. This is also a deficiency, and acupuncture is very lessly taught in the Indian university and colleges. So the development of this science is very less in India. So this is very effective. After 4 or 5 sessions of acupuncture, patient is feeling energetic and feeling better movement, and the result is come excellent for all types of pain. So this patient is suffering from neuropathy, having a problem in hand and unable to move the hand backward. So we are conducting this acupuncture therapy along with moxibustion therapy. This is a moxibustion therapy. It contains the moxa plant ash or moxa plant extract. So when we are indicating the moxa, there is a inflammation and pain decreases on the side, and the relief is come at the site of moxa. So result is come excellent with the moxibustion therapy. It is very documented, and it is worldwide used therapy. So thank you very much for watching our video on YouTube. Thanks a lot.